Well, it's just a recorded
Ladies
message.
and gentlemen,
Okay.
solidarity makes Europe's heart beat. It defines our strengths, in particular in times of crisis, as we proved once more during the corona pandemic, when we were in fact the opposite of a patient. Instead of patiently suffering, Europe healed together, united in solidarity and diversity. Facing the biggest challenge since World War II, we answered by fostering a recovery which serves the people instead of abstract economic goals. We were led by the strong belief that the other, as Pope Francis pertinently described it, is not a statistic or a number. The other has a face. The you is always a real presence, a person to take care of. Doing it the European way, deeply rooted on Catholic social teaching, means supporting dignity. Therefore, we introduced, for example, a temporary instrument supporting 31 million workers, safeguarding their jobs. We also strongly believe that healing Europe is not enough. That's why we delivered not only more than 700 million doses to the European people, but the same amount so far to the rest of the world. Team Europe continues its commitment by investing in vaccine production capacities in Africa and by sharing hundreds of millions doses without any strings attached as a signal for global solidarity. We use this pandemic to recollect our European values to strengthen what makes us strong. Therefore, our budget, together with the recovery plan Next Generation EU, not only kickstarts the immediate recovery, but also invests in our future, in a green transformation. With the European Green Deal, we are taking global responsibility to protect our creation. At the same time, we ensure that everyone can participate in and benefit of a real social and ecological transition. Our European way of solidarity and responsibility combined in a social market economy is something to be proud of, but at the same time, it's a permanent obligation for all of us to continue working on it. I'm looking forward to the contribution of your conference to give us further inspiration and hope.